Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little press on nails tutorial. So this video is going to be pretty short, but I did not get to post this past Wednesday and I am so sorry. I was busy with my Etsy shop doing orders, trying to get orders out by Friday, so I missed out on this Wednesday's video. So I wanted to try and post a video today, and then I'm also going to be posting a video tomorrow. I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag with a few of my pink sisters here on YouTube, but today's video is just going to be something short and fun and girly, and I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys to show you how to put press-on nails on and make them last, because I feel like a lot of you feel like your press-on nails don't last for a few days, and there's a lot of important steps that you have to do in order to keep the nails to stay, because my nails stay for at least 2 weeks and sometimes even 3 weeks. Of course one will pop off here and there and then I'll just go and re-glue it, but for the most part my nails press-ons, they last up to 2 to 3 weeks, and most of you say that they only last you like 1 to 2 days. So I'm going to show you guys my tips and tricks, and I'm going to show you how I apply mine. So the ones that I'm going to be applying are the ones from TJ Maxx that I showed you guys in my haul. So there are these right here, and they're just pink with cheetah leopard prints on them, so I thought that was really cute, and they're only $4.99. We're just going to put these nails on in this little video, so I hope you guys enjoy seeing it, and I hope you guys go and get some press-ons. You need to save some money, because every time you go to the nail salon you spend like what, $60 to $70 every time you do your nails. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. And also, if you are new here, hi, I'm Charla. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video before you leave, and become a part of the pink family. If you like pink and girly, you are in the right place. And my phone keeps ringing, I'm so sorry. You are in the right place. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and comment down below what you want me to film next. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I went ahead and moved my camera so you guys can see how I apply everything, but the number one tip is to wash your hands before you start putting your press-on nails. I promise you, if you wash your hands, it will make such a huge difference, because a lot of girls just will go and throw them on but do not realize that they have oils on their fingernails, so that prevents the nails from staying on as long as possible. So do not skip this step. It's the most simplest step. Just wash your hands very well before you start with these press-on nails, and yeah, they should last longer. So let me get some of my tools out that I use. So here's my little bin of nail stuff that I use. So we've got all of my things here. So what you want to have is a nail file, and usually the kits will come with little nail files, but if they don't, make sure you have a nail file. I also like to use this block. I don't know if it's gonna want to focus. I also like to use this nail block, so like each side does something different, like smooth, remove ridges, file nails, shine nails. This is definitely a must that I use, so make sure you, sorry, I'm making sure that's focusing. So make sure you guys pick up a nail block. And then I also use, you guys always wonder what kind of glue I use. I always like to use the Kiss Speed Glue, so that's pretty much what this one is. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. There we go. So this is the Kiss Mega Hold Glue. So you just want to make sure you have a really good glue. And then if you need to clip your nails before this video, please do so, but I already clipped my nails pretty well, so I don't have to do that step. Look at me being a nail tech. I'm over here acting like I'm a professional nail tech. And then the next thing you want to have is like this little clipper to like pick off the excess skin from your nails. I know that's a little gross, so I'm not gonna do that right here in front of you guys, or maybe I will, but yeah, you just want to make sure your nails look clean. I definitely don't have the best looking nails, so I'm not gonna judge you guys, but Sometimes I like to go and just like nitpick at the extra skin that's just hanging on for dear life, but yeah, that's pretty much what I have in here. And then I do have some nail stickers. These are like the little Chanel logo stickers. We might add some of those on there, we'll see. So the first thing you want to do is, first of all, let's go ahead and measure our nails so that we can set them up. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's see what this kit comes with. So this kit does come with glue. I don't know how trustworthy this glue is. I'm just more used to the one that I use, so you guys can try using it, but like I said, I trust my glue more. So we're going to take these babies out. So I'm just gonna take out one pack for right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and start measuring my nails. And what I like about these press-on nails is that they have little numbers on the edges of the nail, so you can grab the same numbered nail. I think I'm either 0 or 1 when it comes to the thumb, so that's like one of the biggest size nails. So let me see, I think I'm number 1 on the thumb. I think I want to go with 0. Sometimes the sizes aren't that accurate, but I actually think I do need 1. Okay, so we're gonna use 1. Yes, we're gonna use number 1 for the thumb, and then I definitely want to incorporate these little let me zoom you guys in some more. I want to incorporate the little leopard print ones. Like, look how cute that is. I don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus. Look how cute the little leopard print nails are. So let's see what number those are. Oh shoot, I just dropped it. Okay, you definitely don't want to do that. Okay, I'll pick it up if I end up needing that one. That was number 2, so that one was probably going to be a little bit too big. So number 3, I could probably put number 3 on my middle finger. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to do, now that we have all of the nails set out and they're pretty much going to be ready to press on, we've got the glue, we're going to take our nail file and we're going to just start. I'm going to move this over here. I'm just going to start filing at the top of my nail. This is also very important for you guys to do, because if you don't file the top of your nail, sorry, there's a car passing. If you don't file the top of your nail, you're going to leave like oils or whatever residue is stuck onto your nail. You just want to make sure you file it a little bit so you have it nice and clean, and the glue will stick to it and your nail will also stick very well. So you just want to do that. So once it looks like that, like you could definitely see all of the stuff that I filed off of the top of my nail, then we're gonna go in with the little block, and I'm going to go with number 1, file the nail edge, and I am just going to go on top of that nail. And then I'm going to use number 2, which is remove ridges, and I'm also just going to file that on top. And then I'm just going to go with number 3, which is to smooth the nails, and I'm just going to take off all of that nail dust that was on my finger. We're going to go in with the kiss glue, and we are going to put a little bit on top. So that is just what it looks like. And then now that we have the nail ready, we're just going to press it, and you want to make sure that it is not crooked, because if you place it on crooked like I just did, there is no way that you're going to take this off. So you just want to make sure that the nail isn't crooked. So I just fixed it. Luckily I was able to fix this, and literally within like 5 seconds it's going to be stuck on there and it's not going to go anywhere. So that is just how the thumb looks so far. And then I am going to file them, you guys. I'm really not a fan of super long nails. I like them like medium to short. So you guys will see here in a second how I cut and file them to make them as short to my liking. If you guys are into long nails, then you can totally leave them like that, but I'm more into the short nails, so that is just what I do, and you guys will see me how I cut them. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this process so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing, and then once I go to the end, I will show you guys how I cut them and make them shorter. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this process up. To shorten my nails because this is definitely not how long I like them. I like them to be just a little bit shorter. So what I'm going to do is take some scissors, and if you guys aren't comfortable with using scissors, I would just recommend using a nail file, but you are going to be filing for a long time if you want them to be shorter than what the nail is. So what I do is I pretty much just kind of like look and see how long I want the nail to be, and then I will go ahead and like cut it with the scissors. I know it's like really risky to do, but I literally just go in with the scissors, and it's gonna look janky, it's gonna look weird for a minute, but then you're gonna go in with your file and you're going to just file them in the shape that you like. I do the coffin shape because I feel like that's what flatters my hands the most, so I just go ahead and start filing. So this is how it looks before, but let me tell you, they end up looking so good once they're done, and it ends up looking like I went to the salon, and I really didn't. So then I just kind of file it like that. So as you can see, it is you can see the difference. It is way shorter, but that is how I like them. I don't like them to be too long because I feel like it's easier for me to break my nails if they're longer. So I will just go in and file them, and that is also why you need a nail file. so that was it for my little mini nail video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to do something like quick and easy and fun for you guys so y'all can see how I apply my nails, because I'm always wearing different press-on nails in every video. So this is how they look. Very cute and girly. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope y'all find some nails at your Home Goods, TJ Maxx. That's where I found them from. So I hope you guys find some cute nails, learn some cute tricks, and yeah, that was it for this video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.